Did you know that AI-assisted search experiences are revolutionizing the digital advertising industry? It's a brave new world out there, with tech giants like Google and Microsoft vying to develop the cream of the crop in AI-assisted search experiences. A clear frontrunner in this race is OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's like the star athlete that everyone's talking about, having gained a whopping 1 million users within just 5 short days of its release. Not to be outdone, Microsoft has stepped into the ring with a chatbot-style interface called the new Bing, powered by the same technology. Now Google is in hot pursuit, rushing to compete with Bing's integration of GPT-4. But this isn't just a tech showdown. It's a seismic shift in how we interact with digital content. This new wave of AI-assisted search experiences is not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we interact with digital content. Now you might be wondering what makes AI-assisted search so different from traditional search methods. Well, let's dive right in. Traditional search methods involve typing in keywords, and the search engine retrieves results based on those keywords. It's a simple and straightforward process, but often requires sifting through numerous pages to find the information you're looking for. On the other hand, AI-assisted search is a game changer. It allows users to ask complex questions, just like you would in a conversation. The AI can understand the context and intent behind your query, providing more accurate and detailed results. In addition, AI-assisted search is faster, and it enables you to ask follow-up questions, making the search experience more interactive and efficient. However, it's not all roses. There are potential implications to consider. AI-assisted search could reduce traffic to publisher sites and may impact programmatic advertising. It's a shift that could disrupt the digital landscape, but it's also an exciting evolution that promises to make our online search experiences more intuitive and productive. Clearly, AI-assisted search experiences offer a more advanced, efficient, and interactive way of finding the information you need. Are you ready to join the revolution and try out AI-assisted search experiences for yourself? We understand that change can feel overwhelming, but this is a unique opportunity to experience the future of digital search today. By simply logging into your Chrome account and heading over to Google Labs, you can enable the Search Generative experience. It's a breeze, and with this tool, you can ask complex questions, get faster results, and even ask follow-up questions. It's like having your very own personal assistant right in your browser. Now, we know that with new technology, there can be concerns, especially about trust in AI-generated results. Let's address that. User trust is a top priority for tech companies like Google and Microsoft. They are constantly refining and improving these AI-assisted search experiences to ensure accuracy and reliability. So rest assured, your search queries are in good hands. Don't just take our word for it. Try out AI-assisted search experiences today and share your experiences. Your feedback could help shape the future of digital search.